do, man?
Lily.
Oh, okay. I thought you was already there.
Come here. Come here.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay. How the meeting go, man? Sweet, man. Sweet. That's good, man. Shit, chilling, man. You know it's snowing down here. Yeah. Yeah, I just got out my damn self, man. Went and got some beer and stuff and cleaned up, getting ready, you know, get ready for the big game. Shit, man. I got a fucking, I was calling you because I don't know what my schedule is. Yeah, I didn't get it. I fucking,
Billy.
well, I got it sent to me. I got on R2 or not R2, but I got on the internet at the Intercon, and I pulled it up, but I